Good morning. How are you feeling today?
Good morning. How are you feeling today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Are you busy this morning?
I'm good. Are you busy this morning?
Yes, I'm working on an urgent task right now. What are you focusing on today?
Yes, I'm working on an urgent task right now. What are you focusing on today?
I'm preparing the production report.
I'm preparing the production report.
Is everything going as planned so far?
Is everything going as planned so far?
Mostly yes, but there is a small issue.
Mostly yes, but there is a small issue.
What kind of issue are you seeing?
What kind of issue are you seeing?
The machine stopped unexpectedly earlier.
The machine stopped unexpectedly earlier.
Has maintenance checked it yet?
Has maintenance checked it yet?
Yes, they are looking into it now.
Yes, they are looking into it now.
Do you need any support from me?
Do you need any support from me?
If you're free, that would be helpful.
If you're free, that would be helpful.
Sure, I can help review the data.
Sure, I can help review the data.
Great, I really appreciate it.
Great, I really appreciate it.
We should keep the supervisor informed.
We should keep the supervisor informed.
Yes, I'll send a quick update soon.
Yes, I'll send a quick update soon.
Do you think production will resume today?
Do you think production will resume today?
Yes, it should return to normal shortly.
Yes, it should return to normal shortly.
That's good to hear.
That's good to hear.
We're monitoring the situation closely.
We're monitoring the situation closely.
Please let me know if anything changes.
Please let me know if anything changes.
Of course, I'll keep you posted.
Of course, I'll keep you posted.
Thanks for working together on this.
Thanks for working together on this.
No problem. Teamwork really helps.
No problem. Teamwork really helps.
It's been a busy day.
It's been a busy day.
Yes, but we handled it well.
Yes, but we handled it well.
Let's wrap up and continue tomorrow.
Let's wrap up and continue tomorrow.
Sounds good. Have a good evening.
Sounds good. Have a good evening.
The production line is running more smoothly now.
The production line is running more smoothly now.
Yes, the maintenance team fixed the main issue.
Yes, the maintenance team fixed the main issue.
That's a relief.
That's a relief.
We were quite concerned earlier.
We were quite concerned earlier.
I've updated the supervisor about the situation.
I've updated the supervisor about the situation.
Thanks for keeping everyone informed.
Thanks for keeping everyone informed.
We should double-check the output quality.
We should double-check the output quality.
I agree, quality comes first.
I agree, quality comes first.
I've already reviewed the first batch.
I've already reviewed the first batch.
Everything looks normal so far.
Everything looks normal so far.
Good to hear.
Good to hear.
Let's continue to monitor closely.
Let's continue to monitor closely.
Do you think we'll meet today's target?
Do you think we'll meet today's target?
If nothing else happens, we should be fine.
If nothing else happens, we should be fine.
I'll keep tracking the numbers this afternoon.
I'll keep tracking the numbers this afternoon.
Great, I'll support you if needed.
Great, I'll support you if needed.
The team has been working really well today.
The team has been working really well today.
Yes, communication has been very smooth.
Yes, communication has been very smooth.
Let's prepare a short summary for the meeting tomorrow.
Let's prepare a short summary for the meeting tomorrow.
Good idea, that will save time.
Good idea, that will save time.
I'll draft the key points later today.
I'll draft the key points later today.
Perfect. Please share it when ready.
Perfect. Please share it when ready.
Thanks again for your support today.
Thanks again for your support today.
You did a great job as well.
You did a great job as well.
Let's finish the remaining tasks.
Let's finish the remaining tasks.
And we'll start fresh tomorrow.
And we'll start fresh tomorrow.